Justice is one of the fundamental moral concepts that defines how to properly distribute goods, punishments, and opportunities among individuals and groups. This concept is deeply connected to ideas of equality, honesty, responsibility, and respect for human rights. However, the question of absolute justice in society remains open and sparks many debates among philosophers, sociologists, and political theorists. Absolute justice, as an ideal, assumes that each person receives exactly what they deserve, without any distortions or errors. It is based on the idea of a perfect, flawlessly honest, and equal distribution of resources, opportunities, and rights among all people. But is such a state possible in the real world? There are several problems that complicate the realization of absolute justice. First, individual differences. Every person has unique circumstances, needs, and abilities. What is just for one person may be unjust for another. For example, one person may have health limitations while another may not. How do we ensure equality in such cases? The idea of absolute justice requires identical conditions for all, but this could lead to individuals with special needs not receiving the level of support they require. Second, different cultural and social norms. In different cultures and societies, the concept of justice can vary greatly. What one society considers just may be unacceptable to another. For instance, different countries have different approaches to wealth distribution, human rights, and gender equality. Can we find a universal model of justice that satisfies all cultures? Third, political and economic realities. In modern societies, there is often vast economic inequality. Those who control significant resources may gain even more opportunities to expand their influence, while poorer individuals with limited resources remain on the periphery. In such a situation, it is difficult to ensure absolute justice, as systems already exist that favor certain groups within society. Fourth, biological and psychological factors. People have different natural abilities, inclinations, and psychological traits. Some may be more inclined to succeed, while others may face difficulties due to depression, anxiety, or other factors. Can we talk about absolute justice in a world where natural abilities vary so greatly? Despite the difficulties in achieving absolute justice, it is possible to strive for a more just society through reforms and changes in political systems. Since political institutions often define the rules of the game, changes within them can help reduce inequality and provide better access to resources for all members of society. Justice can be achieved through equality of opportunities, not the equal distribution of goods. Many theorists propose an approach where justice consists of equal opportunities for everyone to succeed. This means that people should have equal access to education, healthcare, career growth opportunities, and so on. Moral responsibility and social solidarity can also help bring society closer to a more just state. The idea of moral responsibility of each citizen for the well-being of others, along with striving for social solidarity, involves actively supporting the weaker members of society and fighting social inequality. Absolute justice is likely unattainable in the real world due to numerous social, cultural, economic, and psychological factors. However, this does not mean that we should abandon the pursuit of justice. Simply put, justice can be much more achievable if we work on reducing inequality and ensuring equal opportunities for all members of society, despite the limitations and challenges. Thank you for watching.